there, this is Jennifer with Brome Fields. So it has been like a few days since I got this before I could actually do the video. Just so you know, I have I know that I got some scissors. I kind of have a bit of a scissor fetish. Like, so I individually wrapped everything. That is so awesome. That reminds me of, like, that's what my mom would do with our Christmas gifts. She wrapped everything individually so we'd have more to open. Because as little kids, that's what you do. You like opening stuff. So very thank you. Handwritten card, very sweet. And my receipt. And I'm going to start with, I'm guessing this is, they're lichen and lace example. That's a thin yarn. But I like her I like her yarn. All right, so let's see what we have here. Super cute sheep on the masking tape. Oh, absolutely awesome. So this is Imperial Yarn out of Shanko, Oregon. Very soft. Again, I'm a big gray fan. So I think all of these are going to be shades of gray because that's just kind of my theme. That's how I roll. This one was $17.50. Yep, pearl gray. Recommended size 11 needles. So that is definitely right up my alley. That one's going to be another bulky, super bulky. Let's see if I can get that off without tearing it. Awesome. What I thought. It's going to have just a tint of purple to it. So it says a silver birch. So not quite gray. So if I have them next to each other, you can see it's just a little purple. That's what I was kind of afraid of. Purple's not quite my favorite color. Now this is, I would say, a lighter spun. This is definitely a twistier yarn. Very soft. Let's see here. It's kind of hard to see. So it's 100% fine merino. Sestari, I'm guessing is the brand. Hard to get in there. So a 3-ply bulky yarn. And it's 106 yards. So I think I'm going to plan on doing some more headbands because I really was kind of addicted to doing the headbands. They're kind of my thing to wear instead of hats. And I have been wanting this yarn for a really long time. And it's Brooklyn Tweed. I was looking for it. Still a little bit of straw in there. It's all natural. And it looks like it has like little speckles, so some blues. Let's see here, 200 yards of chunky, so that's gonna go a ways. They recommend size 6 to 8 millimeter, so 10 to 11. They're bulky. This is their moonstone color. Yep, definitely an all natural, a little more. I don't remember what this stuff's called. Straw. Besides straw, I do know that. Between the three, this one here is way super soft compared to these two. This one is this feels like it's going to be a little itchy, which actually I'm a little disappointed because it is Brooklyn Tweed, but I don't know. I'll have to try it on and see. Maybe I will be surprised. But I know I've been wanting to try their yarn for a really long time. It seems I see a lot of people making sweaters with it, so it seems like it'd be a really durable yarn. And these are my scissors. I have a thing for scissors. I have lots of different kinds of scissors. I really like scissors. And these ones here are small ones. So they're like 4 or 4.5 inch. And just, yeah, super awesome. Very, very good quality. So very impressed. Like, these were like $7. I thought very reasonable. Now these guys here are like 2.5 inches, and I don't think I have any scissors that are that small. And so of course I just had to have them because they're just teeny tiny. Just little bitty things. So super, super cute. So that was my purchase from them. That scissors I couldn't pass up, and they had so many different yarns to choose from. I spent like probably a couple hours just browsing their site trying to decide on exactly what I wanted. So that was my haul that I got from Tolt Yarn and Wool. So definitely be looking for some patterns with this. Again, thinking headbands, smaller projects, kind of right up my alley. So I hope you guys enjoyed that today, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.